Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to go over proper sewing machine maintenance, how to clean your machine. You need to clean your machine frequently. Refer to your user's manual on what they require for cleaning the machine. The one thing that you don't want to use are those compressed air cans to blow the dust out. All it does is blow the dust farther into the machine, which can cause problems down the road. Always take your machine in yearly to have it serviced so they can do a full cleaning and any adjustments that are necessary. A sewing machine is just like a car. If you don't maintain it, it's not going to last you very long. Okay, let's get started. To clean your machine, you need to remove the throat plate. Some throat plates snap in and pull off. On this particular baby lock, there are 2 screws that have to be removed. On the baby lock, this particular screwdriver came with the machine, but we found that this other one works a little better, and you can buy it at a hardware store. It's called possibly a turnstile screwdriver. Take the screwdriver and insert it into the screws and remove both screws. Now take the screws and set them aside. To remove the bobbin, pull on this lever and then lift the bobbin cover and set it aside. Now lift and remove the top throat plate. Set it aside. You will now see the bobbin. Remove the bobbin and set it aside. Now lift out the black bobbin case. Take the brush and gently remove any of the dust that is in there. Clean the brush when necessary and continue cleaning around. Now take the brush and clean off any area that is on the top. Again, be gentle so that you don't remove any unnecessary pieces. Take the brush and also clean out the little bobbin holder. Now place the bobbin case back inside and make sure that it is secure. Now place the throat plate back in. Place the other plastic cover in and then put the screws back in the tool holes. And now insert the bobbin, and now insert the bobbin cover. Well, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you are interested in beginners sewing projects, I will have links listed below your YouTube screen in the description section. Just scroll down, click on the words Show More, and it will expand open and you will see the links appearing. I'll also have links to my sewing tips of the week, which come out every Wednesday. They go in depth more and they're very educational. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.